Magandang araw sa lahat. We had a discussion regarding the decision for the members of the family and their group to file a criminal complaint for rape against Mr. X. Okay, the victim is of course a minor. And some members of the group, of course they are not lawyers, suggest that the child should be, or the victim, minor, the child should be medically examined. Well, there is nothing wrong with that. And another one suggested that there be a DNA examination. Nothing wrong. That is all right. That is good. And to secure the testimony of an expert witness, right? Meaning one who will examine the child. Okay, that there is nothing wrong with that. But the issue is that, is there really a necessity for a medical examination before we can file a criminal complaint with the Office of the Prosecutor for rape? Do we still need to have a DNA test and result of a DNA examination so that we can file a complaint for rape? Of course, the answer is no. There is no need. A complaint for rape can be filed before the Office of the Prosecutor even without the testimony of an expert witness, even if there is no result of the DNA examination, or even if there is no medical examination. Why? Because the victim here, a minor, is positive that she was raped, she was sexually abused by Mr. X. Mr. X is positively identified by the victim. So, the testimony of witnesses, including the result of the DNA examination, is not necessary. But, of course, medical examination, DNA examination is also useful. It will corroborate, or it will serve as an additional evidence for the victim of an evidence of a different kind, a corroborative evidence. And of course, it will strengthen the evidence for the victim. But I repeat, there is no need of securing those pieces of evidence coming from expert before one can file a criminal complaint for rape before the Office of the Prosecutor. So, ganun yung napag-usapan, mga kababayan. Kailangan pa ba ng DNA? Antayin pa ba natin na mga anak nitong bata kasi buntis na para i-examine? Kailangan pa ba yung mga medical certificate? Hindi naman talaga kailangan, pero ulitin ko, yung DNA examination, kung meron later on, medical report, magsisilbing karagdagang ebidensya pabor sa complainant at laban doon sa ididemanda. Ito'y magpalakas, pero hindi naman talaga essential evidence. Kahit wala yon, pwede. Sana nakapaglingkod itong aming tanggapan. Mga kababayan, hindi naman kailangan ng expert testimony, including medical certificate or DNA examination result, in this case for rape, so long as ang biktima ay positive naman na nagsasabi na siya ginahasa, at positibo naman siya na ang nanggahasa sa kanya itong tao, itong lalaking itong i-demanda. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.